the strategy they work for everywhere, not be just forex assets. They work for everywhere. Just that of late, I'm not too they look derive much. That's just the issue. So for this week, I think now more of these Euro pairs. Now I don't see say structure not clear for me already. So but I told us originally right from time, every morning when you wake up, when you come to the chart, understand which of the market phases you did. Like the market day bullish. What do I mean by bullish? Is it trending? Like is it trending upwards? That's your bullish market. Is it going downwards? Your bearish market. Or is it in a range? So you got to understand which of these three phases market did. When I talk market structure, learn market structure, market, now just these three things. It's either you are in the bullish market, this is your impulse, correction, impulse to the upside. You did bearish, impulse to the downside. Then you did range. Once you don't see which of the market did, you find your candles to engage. That is just the whole idea of this stuff. If you check this GBP and ZD when they announce, so market they range to an extent, but okay, that's a lower time frame share. So I don't show now waiting to look out for already on the lower time frame. Then you check. I told us already, check your higher time frame every morning. That's your weekly. Check your weekly, know what's in the previous week do. Check it now. This one and go this one. It up. So market should most likely go, or market is bullish to an extent for here. That's the weekly bias. Go to your daily. What daily they do? You check daily too. See how market is clearly bullish. Can we see narrow? Huh?
Yes, yes.
We see
I dey see,
impulse,
yeah.
good correction, impulse, correction, impulse again. So market day bullish. So what do? You look for buying opportunities alone. But if you look this place, market they bullish to an extent. If you look here now, see your thick candle for here. This candle should not be better doji, shall be pretty risk am. But in as much as you don't see bullish market bias, check it now too. This candle now don't react to this zone already. So this zone is gone already. What do you look out for? You go to your 4-hour chart or your H1 to look for your impulse, correction, impulse. We'll check H1. Let's see. You check H1 now. Something is clear. See your last impulsive push. All these corrections they inside. So you can either wait for this extreme. That's this zone here. So now this last push with this when break it. So you can either wait for that zone or you trade another block below. If you check it now, so this one, 9 day more impulsive pass, like impulsive push, break above all this correction and just market when they dance. Market will still come back is up on the long run. So check it on our last candle when get importance. Man, check 2 hour if you get better candle. Good. You check 2 hour now, see now your 3 candle formation there. So that can be your point of that should be your point of entry, not can. Because you don't check all your time frame. Now bullish market setting you did. Then if you check your this thing, now what's it called? You don't see your impulse correction. All you are just normal move. Then they see a market will come. So you wait for market now at this zone. Mark that block. That's your point of entry. So not be every time you go get the perfect, what's it called? Impulse correction, impulse when go above. Not be every time. But you just need this push when close above the previous high, when come down. That's good. Impulsive push. If you check now just how many candles there. They are not much. 60 candles then. Then your 3 candle formation there as a point of entry. So you wait for market now to come back here and you engage. So that's for GBP and ZD. We will wait for confirmation for this block. Once we don't see confirmation, we engage. 2H. Will they follow Abi?
Yes, yes.
Good. So that's that or that. Any question? Too fast.
No.
Okay. So that's for GBP NZD. I go try drop am for good. Ah, I don't like this system for trading now before my this thing. Then this year share pairs then let me delete and let's go through them. The same thing again. Go to your weekly chart, check wetin. If you check this one now, I tell now weeks normal before anytime market do week, price need to come fill am. If you check it now, this week was done how many months back? E not fill for here. Now this one fill them. Do you get so all the previous weeks, all they completely filled. So most likely you can anticipate a reversal. Or when all your weeks all they fit, anticipate a reversal. If you check the previous week now, you had this sell, but on the long run, the market still dey bearish. Let's say your first impulsive push shall be correction. So most likely now here market supposed to sell from. So you get all these possible whatever now to find buys come up. That's your weekly bias. Check your daily. What daily they do? Daily they bullish to an extent. The market dey behind the sha. So for now, for Euro CHF will stay put. Will stay put for now because this one dropped drastically. Plenty rejections here. What's it called? Engulfing candle here. Engulfing candle here. So we will wait till price give us clear intent to move either up or downwards for us to engage. But that's on the daily. We'll check for our weekly for our the print bullish markets. Can we see impulse correction impulse? If you check it now, market reacted from here. Engulfing candle went fail. Market will come back or test them. If you look at this thing properly as well too, see your most recent push to the upside. Here, impulse correction impulse. Once you've seen that stuff already, check here now. That's your candles there. I'm coming. Put it down one again. Good. Exactly. If you check your H1 now, see your last impulsive push, correction, impulse. So if you wait for this block, because the trend now is clearly bullish. They're not, no market not getting reason to come this far down again. Don't move already. See the last extreme correction when come down. Market don't close above them, so you don't move. So wait for this zone possibly to join the what was it called? To join the buyers in the market. For these sales is not so clear for now. Unless if this candle today na close as doji, we fit short tomorrow, come this zone, but for now, we'll let it be. We'll see the bullish side of the market for now. So that's that for Euro CHF. Then I think US 30, good. I don't mark am already. Man, show now wetin I see. Just if you check your daily, the trend is clear. Now, narrow you dey see, abi? Everything is bearish.
Yes.
Yeah, the trend is clearly bearish. But leave that aside. Once you don't see your trend, say your trend dey bearish, finish. What do you okay? Normal. Let's go to your higher time frame first. Check your higher time frame. What the candles they do? You check and you had your three candle when sell fail. But see this nice rejection. What was it called? Your inverted hammer waiting. And this one now so take this whole move. See the highest point. See where this market come from. So since this one take here now, most likely price should come down to take out these lows. See the origin for here. See where market come from. It can't stop for here. So market supposed to come back where it come from before anything will happen. That's the weekly bias. Go to your daily. Check what your daily candles they do. You check it now. You had this drop. Would not close below this correction when go up already. Then if you check these candles now, this one engulf this one bullish bias on the daily. Okay, let's see. Then if we check year to year too, if we check year to year too, we did down part of the market. So most likely, daily now they give you buying setup. What cause see sales for lower time frame, Jesus? Okay, now the engulfing candle. This thing they bearish. Sorry, they bullish. This candle engulfed this previous one. So all the sales when they happen are just small. This thing. Market need to come this up. This candle here before the sales will make sense for me. So we can look for buys toward this zone. So that's that on the what's it called on the daily time frame. Then you go your 4 hour chart. 4 hour the print. You reject that zone. Check H1. I'm gonna say we hold this class. This thing for Kim. Because I don't see this push. Okay. No, what's it called? I just say impulse, better correction, not there. But if you check it now, what can you see? See impulsive push, correction, impulse. So most likely, we're supposed to trade from this block. Exactly. We see the last candle for Yabi before this impulsive push. 2 hour print.
Mm-hmm.
2 hour and engulfing candle. If you check your H1, what the 4 hour print? The 4 hour not to make sense. I'm coming. Let me check. Let me start. Okay. H1 is clearer. H1 is clearer. These sales go move small. It go fail. Market is bullish. This market is bullish till the sales supposed happen from that up, not be here. Or most likely, this zone if we move price come here. Just short-term sales. Then the trend will continue. So US 30 most likely will look for buy. See your impulsive push, correction, impulse will happen already. So this zone will not hold price like that. You go fail. So that's that for US 30. Then AUD cards. Let me delete and show us what. Okay, might use another broker, sorry. So analyze one sound as they add me. Very lazy very well. So the same thing. What the trend they show you? See is bearish. That's on the what's it called 1 hour chart. But check your weekly time frame. What weekly they do? I don't like this broker. Let me delete this thing. You see the candles, Abi? And then now you like they do Rwanda. See as these candles are print now. See Rwanda.
Yes.
Can you see the difference? See how the candles they did. See FOREX.com. See as they did. Can you see the difference?
Okay. Yeah.
See your hand there again. See this zone here. See the way
Okay.
this side they it not they so clear. See the other one. Was the FOREX.com. See how okay they are. So I don't know what you see for under shall bet. On the long run, you go leave them. So if you look at this one now, see our 3 candle don't form for you already. What do I mean? See your thick candle high. That's your thick candle low. So with this one now, then the doji don't form, don't sweep out. So you already know the market is bearish till this low is taken. So from this AUD card now, you still have how many pips to the downside? Let's say, good. You see how close to 160 pips to the downside. So you look for just sales, nothing buy for AUD cards. Then you check your weekly charts. What's the weekly they do? Everything they reject, they go down. That's that. You check your daily. This daily buy is not go to hold. This buy is not go to hold. I'm so certain of that. This zone don't move price already. Another week, close below, close below. Go to your 4 hour, find your sell structure. We had this zone when not hold price. This zone could not hold price. So market need to come back out test them. So when I be telling her to check AUD card, this was what I saw. See the 4 hour chart, then go to H1. I think exactly the H1 was clear. What do I mean? See my impulsive push. All these ones my correction. Impulse again. It all closed below the last correction already. Now you see am abi? But now only you be
Yes.
attempt, now
Yes.
only you be attempt this thing when I drop for good that time. Then if you look at the see your impulsive push correction, if you look at the extreme now, not be engulfing, no, engulfing candle, but not a very perfect one. Not a very perfect one. So we are supposed to trade from that block. Good, fine. If you check M30, see your three candle formation for here. So you mark and extend exactly at a point of entry. So mean at the weight test, at the weight test. Who get that noisy background? Muna mute abeg. I don't want to hear much noise. So I'm waiting for sales from this zone on AUD card. That's that AUD card. Then USD CHF. Have I seen anything? Let's check. Okay. Good weekly. They react from this last engulfing candle for here. That's vibes. Bearish vibes to an extent. Market reacted from this block. Weekly, weekly they do. Weekly still they come up a little. Weekly daily they do. So currently, daily won't sell small, but if you look now, this market is bullish. See these plenty sales. See your what's it called? Your doji candle. Market need to come for these highs. So if this one closes, what's it called? A doji this night, most likely will sell small tomorrow. Now just short-term sales. Probably to take out this low. Just short-term. Then I counter trade here. The market is bullish. Then if you check, it don't they move already, Seth. It's moving already, but no well. So let's leave US. Then USD cards. Did I see anything here? I can't really. But if you check from lower time frame, we're in a bullish market setting. So it's supposed to define buys, not be sales. But if you look at one could be like waiting, won't give you double top. So we'll wait a little. If you break above retest, we'll buy. If you reject, we'll sell. So for USD card, we'll still be patient a little. No clear setup on USD card for now. So we'll stay put and observe. Stay put and observe for now on the USD card asset. We'll stay put and observe. You check here too. No, I don't like this one. And you, what do you have for us? Okay. You check weekly. Market dey bearish. Week dey this time when market need to feel. If not feel am now, but the long run, you should come and feel it. That's the weekly. Then check your daily. If you sabi trade patterns, see pattern na this pair dey carry dey move dey come down since. So see am. Market go drop. It will give you flag. What's it called? This one a bearish flag. Yes, bearish flag, I think so. This one too big. Flag here again, the same thing. So sometimes some pairs go just give you one kind particular story when you need to follow. So now the market now they clearly bearish. Here again, the same thing. Flag again. So imagine how many flags form for this market. So that's how you follow price. So if you check now, would they bearish market? So all these buys are not really too concern us. So check your 4 hour. What do you see? Impulsive sell broke. 2 hour and converting 1 hour print. Exactly. If you check your 1 hour now, impulsive sell and break, small corrections that they happen. So you can anticipate a little sales from here. Then we'll still wait because we get a long way to go. So let's see what tomorrow will print. The NUD USD supposed to sell from this zone. It's setting. It's setting because this plenty sales never finish. It's setting. So we'll sell from this. Any USD will go short from this zone probably tomorrow. GU. Okay, this on last Friday, but I closed before the weekend, sha. So nothing I'll pick up for now till the buy market finish. EU do nonsense that day. Yeah, it's all good. Then I showed us DXY that I dropped on the group. What I dropped that time, so DXY is bullish. See the trend. It's clear. You put on for line chart, you'll see how well. See, this trend is violated. Market is bullish. Just that currently now, we don't reach one kind of support zone. See, our market reject here. Reject here. So now we will not fit talk much because market fee reject them again or break above. So we'll just stay put on now. Then if we make dollar break above here with a full candle, just retest then. All the sales for EU, GU, and AU called the overly setting. So for now, DXY dey key zone when we not know where you want go next. We check here now. How many days now? So just day here. Now this was on Thursday, Friday, and to the market now just did this zone. So we need for it to do it that two things. One, break above, or two, break below the trend line and come down. So currently on DXY, we'll stay put. Now what on all those EU, GU, AU, them we know to trade them for now till DXY bias don't be clear. Then baskets weekly. Okay, market come from here, so market should come back down as well. So on the long run, basket is still bearish on the long run. All these buys now just small correction. JPY basket is still very much bearish. I think I drew a trend line earlier. Yes, good. JPY basket is still very much, like very, very much bearish. Still very much bearish. So all those JPY pairs and you look for buys. Buys they safer for now. Buys they safer for now. Then what else? What else? DJ. Now see what this market do me last week. I mean, it's always they know what they do. See, I saw this thing on M5. Not trigger.
Mm.
You see,
Yeah.
see my entry for here. This block. See what the market do.
More just more few pips. So
There be not there day a week I for enter for here, but no no I not as carry miss this one. See the market now. And
more.
since that I never see re-entry. It's all good. So now they tell us say the market you not fit make money every time. Sometimes you will be like everything. This on a 7 hour trade, but I know you not trigger, so that's it. So for JPY pairs, look for buys, don't sell. Sales will just be corrections. Just be corrections. So I never really check today's share. So maybe probably tomorrow. Before I go gym, I just like me today candle close then. I will analyze those early morning then. Card JPY, anything yet? This one supposed to sell finish. Yes. Okay, a 3 candle formation when agree trigger, but it does sell. Okay, we'll still wait small. We'll still wait small. But reversal will happen soon. Like see your impulsive push, correction, impulse, reversal to buy. will happen soon. So we'll just hold on. If we still get small short sales soon, say the head drop. If we sell small from here, go down. So let's just hold on. So basically, once you enter once you put on your PC, you look for either of three things. One is the market trending. If it a trend, where the trend go? Is it bullish? See how to identify your bullish bias. That's your impulse to the upside. Is it bearish? Just understand this. It's not hard. Impulse, correction, impulse to either side. That's your bearish. That's your bearish market. If you know they do either of these two, then it should be in a range. So either of these three, if you not feel understand which market they do, trash that pair, go another thing. So once you don't get this thing finished, before you go your words, you can check your time frame for the 3 day structure that will trade and all that. Huh? This one they run already.
Yeah.
This one, I might call this pair last week for us. Impulse, correction, impulse. And I got this entry on M15. The same thing, M5 rather, the same thing again. Impulse, correction, impulse. Which candle form for there? That was a hammer candle. If you check here, see, now I'm not telling you, see, FOREX not really hard. FOREX not really hard. Now I'm a form for this on the, what's it called? On the M5, I'll be. Which time frame is this? I know. Now I be like engulfing for this thing, Charlotte. Now I'm a form for what's it called? M15, and the sell was impulsive. Just break correction. That's the thing. I'm just a move already. So I'm gonna just define either of those stuff. Then GBP if you check your daily, it don't print already. See printed nicely. See our thick candle here. Don't get better doji already. So we'll know where price should come for these lows or this extreme. So now just to find entry, enter 9 remains. So of which first have we do see your three candle formation. First have we do cash entry already. We don't tap already. So then this one does shoot. So most likely the same thing again, no, impulsive sell. Correction not they happen. So most likely if price can go back to that top tomorrow, I go engage. Yes. If price can come back here before tomorrow morning, because once you don't see your structure for higher time frame, you come lower time frame, look for the same structure again. That's the confirmation entry where they try teach you. I can never teach you now, Shabet. I will teach you now much later. So if price can come back to this zone, fine. If you not come, then at this one they carry get better risk to reward. So this one not supposed to give me 1 to 10 completes on a good day. Go shots. I'm coming. Let me check. Suppose reach 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 9. See, just wanted 1 to 9. So if you reach $10 per episode, you collect 90 come outside too. That's it. So GPAUD against tomorrow will sell from the M5 extreme. AUD cards. You just see the AUD card already, Abby. Confirmation never too clear for this one. It did point of entry already, but no confirmation just yet. Any questions? Huh?
Come here for shirts.
Any questions?
Where are we? I'm just joining.
We don't finish, oh.
Ah,
We'll get 5 minutes to go for this class. Any question?
Boss, if you just review that AUD CHF one we do that time.
AUD CHF. Okay.
CHF.
Okay. I'm not cancel. If I did board, I will just a chat. I will forget to trade most of them. If you check your weekly now, see I'm weekday already when market needs to fill. Another week there too. Bearish bias already. Another week already. Then if you check good, if you look the last candles, the red form, you see your 3 candles for you. Can we see? Narrow.
Yes,
See your
sir.
3 candles for your tick, doji. You don't dey sell already, but the sales never complete. So you go to your daily, exactly. So now you just have to wait for this candle to close as doji, don't finish. You understand, Abi?
Yeah.
Yes.
If this candle now fit close as doji, then you know say okay, oh, this low now will be your next target. And extreme target now will be that first week when they down. Next time, this one till the zones are complete. So if this candle now fit close as doji this night, more check H1. If H1 not print something, keep for us. H1 we don't get what's it called already, but just that now just impulsive push. No better in second impulse never complete. So this one go dey risky to trade for now. That's the issue with these things. If you not get that impulse correction impulse, most likely you go fail. Most likely
Okay.
you go fail. So most still wait, most see how today candle go print. Then if you check it now to see your nice impulsive push, correction, impulse, this one not touch
Yeah.
am. E not touch am. So market now say fit still wan come take out this place now before the drop. And me, I go even prefer to wait for this one.
Yeah.
I go prefer to wait for this one. So most likely I will look for sales above this high. This on a Monday, this on a today high, exactly. So market supposedly take them out before the sales. Do we get?
Yeah.
So most still wait. At least this one are just impulsive push, no correction yet, but this one completes. So let's wait for this extreme. Most likely tomorrow we'll see. We'll not have a before session tomorrow.
Oh.
Any more questions? Any pair now? Make a check. So
USD JPY.
eh?
USD JPY.
USD Oof. Let me tie this in the tissue. Okay, let's see weekly they do. Weekly day market day bullish from a weekly perspective. Daily won't be like 3 candle. Let's see. Quality per hour they do. The market will sell small.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'll go wait for price to come this zone. I know trade where it did now. They too risky for me. I suppose mark this thing for somewhere. Wait, more check the other side. Where's the GPU? I talk now. I'm not. I'm not trading. That's it. Okay, maybe I dey wait for confirmation. Exactly. Can you see?
Yes.
It don't react to this higher time frame zone already. So I just need this low to be taken as impulse correction, and then I'll most likely sell from here. Now the same thing. Either market come this up, this 4-hour block when I mark for here, so or if you respect, if you want use this D1 T candle doji run, then you trade them on CE and on CE. Maybe this one just close below here. Okay, don't close already safe. So I go join sales for this block, this action, probably tomorrow morning. If that one, if you don't move this night too, because JPIPS can they move for night Asian session or whatever. But I need the candle close below here before me pressures will sell. This
Okay.
is not close below. It does show for line chart already, but I need candle close below, then I'll sell from here. It take like 2 lows or maybe this extreme. Because no, I not see any valid block when he return price or here, so I'll look for